Hello guys, and today we are going to be doing a follow my cat video. I'm going to follow my cat. First, let me find the tools that are going to help me follow my cat. Okay guys, I got my follow my cat little Spencer thingy. It'll help me if he lays down, get him up. Right here on it. Yeah. Do a little bit of dings. Hey, cat. Get your lazy butt up. Yeah, I don't think he likes this. Let me get him up and running and I'll get back to the video. I'll be right back. Now, get up. Get up, cat. Yeah, start running. Yeah, get up. Get up. Yeah, you're going to get a hairband.
Don't do it. You're not nice.
You want to follow this? Follow. 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 I guess it's a cat follows me. If I have a hairband. So guys, watch this. Give me the ding dong hairband. Follow the hairband. Follow. See, I got a ding dong hairband. Come on, follow the hairband. You like hairbands. And you take it out of my hand. Is this gonna be that hard to freaking get you to like a hairband? Get up. I'm gonna start following you. Kick up. Get up to speed. Get up to speed. Yeah, pick up that ding dong hairband. Pick up the hairband. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, he still has not picked up that hairband. He has not moved. So let's get him started up. Whoops, I just hit my YouTube channel thing. Yeah! Yeah, I said you! You, mister! Talking to you. Hello? Okay, yeah, this cat does not like me. Yeah, now he wants to follow. 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 He's following me. He's following me. He's definitely gonna go for that. Yeah. Now kick up. Yep. Epic fail here. Yep. Chase the cat video was an epic fail. Bye bye guys. See all you dudes in the next video. Epic fail. Bye bye.